Hello friends, in the current video we will try to understand the concept of objectives of management accounting, which is the very important question as far as the theoretical questions are concerned. Alright, so objectives of management accounting we will understand. When you talk about the objectives of management accounting, every organization's primary objective is to maximize the profits and maximize the wealth of the organization besides minimizing the losses of the organization. That is the fundamental objective of every management accounting, which provides the what we call data for decision making, right? So maximization of profits and minimization of losses is always the major concern and the objective of the management accounting, right? So further we can divide these objectives like planning and policy formulation. Besides the major objective of uh, management accounting, planning and policy formulation. When you talk about the planning and policy formulation, planning involves the following: the forecasting on the basis of available information. The forecasting is the very important, that is looking into the future for making the plans. Then setting goals, what will be the goal of the organization that will be achieved down the line. So that is the most important part of the planning. Then framing policies, creating the policies to achieve the targeted goals. How to frame a policy to achieve the goals which we already set up. Determining the alternative course of action. If what we have decided and what we have desired to get, if that cannot be achieved, and how to achieve the other things which may lead to maximizing the value of the shares, at the same time maximizing the profits of the organization, we must have the alternative course of actions. Always we must maintain alternatives. Then preparation of statements in the light of past results. So past data, that is financial data, is always a tool. So based on that we must prepare our presentation, and preparation should be done based on the past data. Gives estimation for the future. See, future estimations are very important, because we must estimate, we must forecast the future. Then only we can understand, we can work out, and we can enhance the profitability of the organization, right? So every business organization, a prudent business organization, basically you can say, and what we call estimates and forecast the future and estimates the future expenses and incomes properly. Next, interpretation of process. So interpretation is very important, right? Management accounting is to present final information to the management in such a way that it should be easy to understand and interpret. So information, once the organization gets, the management accountants gets the information, raw information, that would be filterized, and that would be converted in such a way that the information will be suitable for a layman to understand and make a decision. That's the reason why the interpretation of information is very important step. Then financial information is technical in nature, hence it will be presented with the help of statistical devices like chart, diagrams and graphs, etc. So always financial information should be presented in such a way that would be very easy to understand and make a decision. Then assistance in decision making process. Always, as you know, that the management accounting will provide the information to assist the management to make a decision with the help of the information. uh, Data related to cost. See here, the most important information provided by the management accountant is data related to cost of the products. See, cost is the very important thing, which should be, the data should be available then only, because determination of selling price is basically depend upon cost plus profit equation. Therefore cost data is very significant and relevant. Then selling price of the product. So the data pertaining to the information pertaining to selling price will also be provided in the management accounting process. Then profits and savings of the organization, how much profits can be earned, how much can be saved by the organization. For each of the available alternatives are collected and analyzed to provide a base for taking sound decisions. See, prudent decision and sound decision is the most important essence of the management accounting besides collection and analyzing the data. Then controlling is very very important. Wherever you go, you will find controlling in management accounting, right? So when you talk about the controlling, management accounting is useful for managerial control on the following: individual performance, the performance of the individual should be controlled. Then cost, production, right? Cost of production, right? Then departmental performance, individual performance, cost of production, departmental performance, right? These are the most important control areas where the management accounting performs and delivers the work. Then tools used in management control, what are the tools that management control will be using? The standard costing and variance analysis is the one of the most important tool will be used for controlling. Then marginal costing and break even analysis, these chapters you have already, I have made videos on these chapters, right? You can, I will share into the I button, you can watch there these videos also, the problems. Then budget and budgetary control, these videos even will be there in the I button, I will share you. So these are the basic tools that will be used to control the what we call management actions. Then reporting. So reporting is the very significant one, because reporting will provide the information to the management whereby management can make the decisions. When you talk about the reporting, management accounting keeps the management fully informed about the latest position of the concern through reporting. So the present financial position or any position should must be informed to the management, where they will be aware and they can make prudent decision based on the available information. It helps management to take proper and quick decisions, right? So this is the most important thing. So then facilitates organizational framework. When you talk about the facilitation of organizational framework, here management accounting stress on more on responsibility center. So management accounting feels they are responsible in making the data available to the management for making decisions. So therefore we consider this as a responsibility center, right? With a view to control cost and responsibilities. Then facilitate decentralization. Decentralization is very important. The work has to be divided among the people so that the efficiency and responsibility increases. Setting up effective and efficient organizational framework, this is the most important objective. The framework, if the organizational framework is sound and competent, then organization, of course, it will grow and earn the future profits. Facilitates coordination of operations. This is very important because organization is many people will be working, and it is a group of people and collection of people. So therefore coordination and ultimate objective of the management accounting. Management accounting provides tools for overall control and coordination of business operations. Budgets are important means of coordination. So budgets will be provided, and what we call providing lot of financial resources in a systematic manner, which helps the coordination process. At the same time employees will also coordinate. So coordination is the ultimate objective of the management account. So with the help of this, I have concluded this session, this video. So thank you very much for being patient listeners and watching the video. And other videos pertaining to this concept of features, then functions of management, will be provided in I button, at the same time in the description box even, right? Thanks for watching my video, and do subscribe my channel Mentor the Trusted Guide, and motivate me to make more videos and provide you qualitative videos whereby it will be helpful for you people to perform excellently in your examination. Thank you very much for being patient listeners.